night drive. We're about to go buy some cookies. And you know, the last person to the spot gotta buy the cookies. So let's see. Plus, cookies taste so good when it's free. Like and subscribe to the limits. Ladies and gents, welcome back to another video on To The Limits, of course. I got my boy Z34, got my girl Stargirl K. What should I do? And my boy JR, my fooling Billy. We're about to go for a night drive. We're about to go buy some cookies. And you know, the last person to the spot gotta buy the cookies. So let's see. Yo, that's cheating. We ain't ready yet. But yeah, we're about to go get some cookies, man. Stay tuned for the video and enjoy it. We're gonna have 2 POVs, so we're gonna switch it up. All right, guys, we're gonna have a nice little cruise. You know, we and the neighbors. Thank God. Golly. No way, Gary, right there. Yeah. Bro, this shit is tuned. Wow, Gary, yeah.
Say hi.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside.
Yo, this girl.
Hi guys, how are you?
We're spiritedly cruising. What she do? Hi, Casey. Oh, Casey chirping. three lanes of people. Did you hear that?
Bro, you know wrong.
What about that? Huh? I'm gone. How? That's not you down there? So you didn't hear none of the pops just now?
I don't know. I think we had a light.
I'm at a light too. Wait, no way he's at the other light, bro. That's not possible.
Bro, yeah.
What light are you at?
Alright, I'm gonna pull over somewhere down here and wait. What the hell?
Ooh, boy.
I think he's on the left lane. Just beside that bus.
No, like, I can't go anywhere.
I don't think he knows.
Huh? That's You gotta hurry up and catch up, bro.
That man gone.
Hello? Okay, the mute worked. Guys, I'm muting my phone because he's in front of me and he doesn't know he's in front of me. So we're just gonna do a mad flyby. Right now he thinks I'm way in front. So yeah, I'm on mute. I need an open space. I need an open space.
Guys, I want to go buy me a G80. I cannot wait. And guys, my birthday is in August. Yeah. Can't wait. Guys, police is around because there's something. What the fuck?
Yo, what the hell?
Oh, Robert's behind you. How is Robert behind you? How is he behind you? Look at this mad person. Look at him. It seems like a mad person.
I could have made that, JR. I just didn't want to. I didn't want to make them, get sketched up. Ain't every time you gotta give people a heart attack. Gary told me that when he's driving behind me and he see me drift, when somebody asks you to rev, you rev.
Yeah.
Gary? Yeah, they asked him too. Oh, Gary drifted?
Alright, calm down. You just crazy.
Miss, I feel like him cannot wait on anyone.
What do you mean? I waited until Tiluna go in front of me.
These cookies better be good, guys. Because the way they was driving, that's cool.
And she said she can't vlog.
Like that flyby?
Yeah, I knew somebody was coming. I saw the car come, 5 cars back. Yeah, I seen
Bro.
Come over, then I seen come over again.
Bro, you passed me so long ago because I pulled off. After you passed the cops, I pulled off, and then the bus passed, so you didn't see me. I was like, the whole time I was like, Gary, where you at? I'm behind you, bro. Hey, I got here first, bro.
Oh, that's true.
I ain't paying for no cookies. I got here first.
My wallet.
Oh, this man say I left my wallet.
These people's in love. They're eating. They're in love. So guys, where are we?
Night owl cookies.
We at Night Owl Cookies. So anybody wants to eat Night Owl cookies? You know, these are their cookies.
Oh my god.
These are the options, guys.
This is what I'm getting. Remind me to put it back on before we drive home, okay? Look, guys, we're a team.
Yes, we are.
Me and Exotic K. Go follow her on YouTube and on IG. No worry, she gonna get a license plate soon. She gonna get one for church and cars, okay? I'll make it. And if you come to church and cars, you'll meet her, you know what I'm saying? You'll meet the famous Exotic K.
Oh, God.
No worry, now we're none of this come at church. So if that's why you come in, she ain't gonna be in there. Here's she modeling for you guys. They can't see you, ma'am.
You know.
Okay. And then she spin with her hair. Yeah, that's all you guys gonna see. Oh gosh. We're about to eat our cookies. Even though Gary said he didn't want none. Even though, you know, he paid.
Thank you. We come back on?
No,
So guys, look at my cookie. This
She
is
got
my
her
cookie.
brokey. This is Oreo cheesecake, okay, because I love cheesecake.
Oh, you got that one. I was looking at Oreo pizza. Yeah.
Plus, cookies taste so good when it's
The one
free.
that got the whipped cream on top.
Right? We're not here.
Good thing I didn't come last.
Guys, I'm thinking to get back at XXE. XXE Camry. So the limits is crazy. Go behind him. Go over there, so.
I smell oil.
You smell oil?
He ain't focused. You flooring it? I'm not flooring it. I'm like half gas. See? I'm not flooring it. Take the corners, Gary. That shit corners. Fly past him under the tunnel. I don't want to leave him. I was gonna. Can't leave him too much. Where you at, Gary? Oh, the turbo's warm, bro. Them turbos warm, boy.
that thing really needs it though.
That's just choo, choo, choo. All right, you go, it's fine. Stop, stop. Look at my exhaust if any flame. Stop.
There's no flames. No. Just be nice.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm sorry.
No, I can't.
Y'all get some respect to my boy.
No flames? I gotta tune it, huh? Just being nice. Oh my gosh, bro. No flames. Just being nice. Oh my gosh, Casey. Styling thing. No, I just need to chill and got me. I'm ashamed. No flames. Just being nice. Oh my gosh, bro. The styling thing real. Is it just being nice at time, Casey? Swing it around it. It for tonight. We'll see y'all in the next one. Shout out to God for keeping us safe. We made it back home safe. Big shout out to him. As I said, Church and Cars, July 27. Be there, RB squared. But yeah, for sure, be there. I'll see you guys next one. Shout out Z34_GP, Exotic K, Junior Built Garage. Follow me on IG as well, man. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.